Here's another video then. Pan European ST1300 clutch fluid change. I've been told you're supposed to do that every year. Well, how do you do it? What's involved? How would you know if it's any good? Come and have a look. Come on. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the reservoir cap off and then analyse some of the fluid that's inside. Master cylinder cap off. As you can see, it's a little bit of contamination. It's not the end of the world, but it makes sense to put fresh stuff in it, then you won't have any grief. Here's some fluid we got out of the reservoir. You can see it's getting a bit black. It's not as black as it does sometimes get, but you know, it's good enough candidate to flush it all the way through. So what do we do? Well, now we've got the cap off. So you take the lower fairing section off, and that gives you access to the bleed nipple. And if you look inside there, you can see the nipple is on the slave cylinder, and we've just attached a pipe to it. So we're going to actually catch the fluid that comes out, so then we'll be able to tell when the fluid's good colour. So there you go, we've arranged a receptacle which the tube is then immersed in. Now the idea is that the end of the tube is underneath the fluid that's already in there. I'll do anything in a minute. What you do is get a good spanner and then open the bleed nipple. Once the bleed nipple is opened, whilst you pull the lever back, that then pushes fluid out through the tube. So open the nipple, pull the lever in, shut the nipple, let the lever out. Open the nipple, pull the lever in, shut the nipple, let go of the lever. Now we do that until the level in the reservoir goes down, then you top it up. You do it, level goes down, top it up, level goes down. You do that several times until you see the fluid that's coming out down the little tube will be clean. So then you know that you've cleared the system. So you keep doing that until eventually the fluid that comes out is clean. The fluid that's in the reservoir is clean. Bolt the whole thing back together, make sure obviously it works properly, but then basically you've flushed the system through, and the system should then be completely clean with nice new fluid. The thing is, it should be done on a regular basis because brake fluid absorbs water. And obviously if water gets in the system, it can cause the system not to work properly, but also it can cause corrosion of the internal parts. And the one thing on an ST1300 that you do not want to be doing is replacing the clutch slave cylinder, because that is a nightmare job. Some people reckon you have to take the engine out, but you don't. You can do it with the engine in, but it's not very easy. Right, hope that's been of interest to you. See you soon, take care, and bye.